Hi everyone, here is another recipe from King's Kitchen. Today we are making beef noodle soup. Super rich flavorful beef broth, tender beef slices and rice noodle. I'm going to show how to make it home with very simple steps. First, we need to fill the large pot with water. That should be enough to cover the beef. I use beef shank with bones. You can use marrow, oxtail, knuckles or any meaty bones. Bring it to boil and blanch the beef for 6 to 8 minutes to remove the blood scums and impurities. Then discard the water. Clean the beef under running water. Place it back in the pot. Fill it up with water about 3 to 3.5 liters. Now add 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 to 4 ginger slices, 1 bulb of garlic cut into half. We'll use 3 to 4 spring onion white part, 2 to 3 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 bay leaves, and a teaspoon of black peppercorns. And I also add half cube of beef stock to bring more flavor, but it's totally optional. Now close the lid and simmer with low-medium heat for about 2 hours until the beef is tender. While the beef is simmering, let's prepare the rice noodles. Soak the noodles in cold water for about 1 hour. Once the beef is tender, remove the beef, bones and halves out from the soup broth. Discard the bones and halves and keep the meat for the later use. Make a taste test and season the broth with salt, sugar, and black pepper. Check the broth. If it's too thick, you can add a bit more water. Set it aside and keep it warm. It's time to boil the noodle in hot water for 1 to 2 minutes, or you can prepare according to the packet instructions. Blanch the bean sprout in hot water just for a few seconds. Cut the beef into small pieces. Place it over the noodles. Now pour the beef broth in. Garnish with chili slices, coriander, and a lime wedges. Noodle soup is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching today.